If you own a home in Maryland, Washington, D.C., or Northern Virginia, and your home looks like this after dark, then you're going to want to hear this. When it comes to landscape lighting, not all lighting systems are equal. If you've come to accept that your home is dark in the evenings, if friends and family have a hard time navigating your property after hours, you can't enjoy your backyard in the summer because your deck or patio is pitch black, you don't have to accept it. We have illuminated thousands of Maryland, Washington, D.C., and Northern Virginia homes in as little as a day, and we can solve your outdoor lighting needs as well. Heck, we're so confident we can solve your outdoor lighting needs, we'll guarantee a well-illuminated property or we'll give you triple the money back. So if your job costs $3,850, we'll literally write you a check for $11,550 if we can't illuminate your outdoor space properly. Click the blue Learn More button below this video.